Understanding, it's a special day. An English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used English phrase. It's a special day. This phrase is simple yet packed with meaning and emotions. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the nuances of the language, this video will help you understand and use this phrase effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. When someone says, "It's a special day," they're expressing that the day is not ordinary or has particular significance. This could be due to a variety of reasons such as a personal milestone, a holiday, an anniversary, or any event that holds emotional value. The word special emphasizes uniqueness and importance, setting the day apart from regular, everyday life. This phrase is versatile and can be used in numerous contexts. Here are a few examples. Celebrations, birthdays, weddings, graduations. Example, "It's a special day because I'm turning 30. Acknowledgements, recognizing someone's achievement or a significant event. Example, "It's a special day for our community as we celebrate the opening of the new park." Personal milestones, achieving personal goals or commemorating personal achievements. Example, "Today's a special day. I ran my first marathon." Understanding variations can help you express the idea more fittingly in different situations. Some variations include, "Today is a day to remember," emphasizes the day's memorable nature. "This is a momentous day," highlights the day's great importance or significance. "It's a day like no other," stresses the uniqueness of the day. In different cultures, what makes a day special can vary greatly. Holidays, traditions, and personal values play a big role in determining the significance of a day. By saying, "It's a special day," you're inviting others to recognize and possibly share in the uniqueness of the occasion. It's a beautiful way to express gratitude, happiness, and reverence for moments that matter. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful phrase, "It's a special day," and how you can use it to add meaning and emotion to your conversations. Remember, it's not just about the words you use but the feelings and memories you associate with them that truly convey the message. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find many special days to celebrate and cherish in your own life. See you in our next video.